So you want to make money as an internet marketer, right? That's why you're watching this video. That's why you clicked on it. I'm not sure what sort of clickbait title I gave this video. However, I'm sure it has something to do with making money on the internet. So one of the most common questions I get from beginners or people who are looking to make their first dollar online is, what's the best business for beginners to make money online? But first, to set this up and kind of back this up, let's talk about what we're doing. We're internet marketing, right? There's a saying that goes something like, you're not in the business you are in, you are in the business of marketing the business you are in. So by default, if you want an online business, then you are an internet marketer. So to set this up, let's pull up a quick clip from a video that was released somewhere around 2012. And this is the great Frank Kern describing what he believes internet marketing is.
So here's the definition of internet marketing as I see it. Internet marketing is using the internet to deliver the right message about an excellent product to the right people at the right time, period. So while the definition of marketing is simple and should be painfully obvious, we have to ask ourselves the question, how come we're not as successful as we want to be?
So there you go. Internet marketing is using the internet to deliver the right message to the right people at the right time with regards to an excellent product, right? So now that we understand that's a pretty good explanation of what internet marketing is, and remember, we're in the business of marketing the business we're in, so if we want an online business on the internet, we're an internet marketer. Well, let's unpack that and look at that piece by piece, and then we'll discover why using YouTube to promote affiliate products is, without a doubt, the simplest, easiest, and best business for beginners to get started as fast as possible. So let's first start talking about the excellent product side of that, because this is the most difficult portion of the equation for beginners a lot of the time. Now, if we need to be promoting an excellent product in order to stay in line with what Frank Kern says internet marketing is, well, then all we have to do as an affiliate marketer is choose which niche we want to be in. And then we just have to go out and find the best product in the niche that has an affiliate program. Simple and straightforward. Just take the arena that we want to play in and then go out and find the biggest, best product, join their affiliate program, and start promoting them. Right there, we now are able to market an excellent product. So there is criteria number one handled. That's why you want to be an affiliate marketer as a beginner. Now let's talk about the right message, because we have to deliver the right message, right? Well, that can be really, really tricky when you are creating your own product, because in order to craft the message for the product, you have to really understand the pain points, the desires, the benefits, all those things that go into marketing the product. Well, luckily, when we partner with an affiliate program that's established, we can become a part of the community of that affiliate program. We can read their blog posts, we can watch videos, we can watch their trainings, we can interact in their Facebook groups if they have them. We can dive into the culture of that affiliate product because we don't have to build that from scratch. So therefore, it took us a few minutes to find the right product. Now, it took us maybe a day or so to find the right message. We have half of the marketing equation per Frank Kern's description covered. We're ready to go on to parts 3 and 4. The right people at the right time. Okay, what does that mean? Well, we need to find our ideal customers for the product, meaning internet marketing. It doesn't make much sense to go out and try to sell a product to the wrong people, meaning the people who have no use for our product, right? That's where we get the famous saying from, what is it, Tommy Boy the movie? He could sell a ketchup popsicle to a girl in white gloves. Okay, that is obviously not the right fit. We need to find the right people for the product. That is why affiliate marketing with Facebook advertising is not great for beginners, because you are essentially taking an entire group of people who may or may not be the right people for your product. However, this is where YouTube comes into play, and we're going to talk about the right people at the right time, because YouTube at its core is the second largest search engine, and it's a search engine where you can still rank fast as a beginner. It's a search engine where you can get massive exposure. It's a search engine where people are going when they have problems that they need solved. So if we can take that excellent product and the messaging and then package that into YouTube videos that are search friendly, that attract the ideal customer of the product that we're promoting, then the only time that those people who are the right people are going to find our videos that promote the excellent product that they need is when they are searching, when they are in the buy mode. Meaning by default, by creating content on YouTube with the proper messaging about an excellent product, the only people who can find us are the right people, and they're only going to find us at the right time. They're not going to find us when they're looking for a restaurant. They're not going to find us when they're trying to look at Christmas pictures of their family on Facebook. They are only going to find us when they're searching for us on YouTube. Guys, if you want to know more about growing on YouTube and affiliate marketing on YouTube, I am currently putting together what is the best YouTube growth and monetization course on the planet, and you can get access to it for only $9. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you soon. Bye now.